This is Ecoflow Delta 2, the portable power station for home power backup, camping, and outdoor activities. Press the main power button to turn on the product. The LCD screen will light up. The product enters sleep mode after 5 minutes of idle operation. You'll find an LCD screen that displays key information such as battery level, remaining charging time, and more. There are 2 USB-A ports, 2 USB-A fast charge ports, 2 USB-C ports, and the power button to turn on the USB output as a whole. The Bluetooth indicator will stay on if the Bluetooth is connected. You can find a DC charging port for solar and car charging, and an AC charging port for AC fast charging. The AC charging rate can be adjusted via Ecoflow app. In cases where the AC input exceeds 20 amps, there is an overload protection switch that activates to protect your unit. You can press this to resume after checking there is no product failure. Short press the AC power button to enable AC output through the ports on the rear. Short press the 12-volt DC power button to use the Enable 12-volt DC output. On the side of the unit, you'll find an extra battery port to connect one Delta 2 Smart Extra battery, Delta Max Smart Extra battery, or Smart Generator based on your needs. That's the exterior of Delta 2 in a nutshell. Need more tutorials? Head to our Ecoflow YouTube channel.